Let me show you how to enter the safe mode on POCO X7 Pro. In order to do this, first we need to turn off our device. So for instance, you can use the power button and volume up button. Press both of these buttons at the same time in order to open the power menu. And of course we want to power off. Now let's wait for the device to completely turn off. And after a few seconds, once it is completely off, you need to now turn it back on. So you need to press and hold the power button. And once you see the POCO logo, you need to wait for the vibration. Once you feel the vibration, you will need to press and hold the volume down button. So let me demonstrate. Press and hold the power button. Now we can release the power button, wait for the vibration. And now we can press and hold the volume down button and hold it until you see the HyperOS logo. And there will be another vibration, a little bit longer than the first one. And now, as you can see, we are in the safe mode. Now let's turn it on. There we go. Now, in order to exit the safe mode, what you need to do is simply restart the device. So once again, use the same combination in order to open the power menu. But this time we need to simply reboot. And this time, once the device turns on, you will be back into the normal mode. And keep in mind that the airplane mode will be enabled, so you need to simply turn it off. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!